this is Ieasha of Event Decor and Designs by Ieasha, and welcome back to my channel. Well, in today's video, I am going to be showing you how to sublimate an ugly sweater. And I'm going to be actually doing it on a sweatshirt, all right? So I told you all that I'm going to be adding sublimation to my video. And what sublimation is kind of different. It's totally different from Cricut. And in my next video, I'm going to be explaining to you what sublimation is. I'm going to be showing you my sublimation printer. I'm going to be talking to you about ink and all of those different things. But today's video is going to be all about the ugly sweater and how to make an ugly Christmas sweater, all right? So I have went ahead and designed my own, what I wanted on my shirt. And this is it right here, all right? And I put some gnomes here. I put the Grinch, a Christmas tree, and all I did was make it Cricut, you know, kind of sideways. And I put the wording, do this tree look Cricut to you? All right, so I thought that was super cute. I put the Santa Claus here. I put Merry Christmas. And for the Grinch, I have him looking down on the gnomes. And at the top, I said, I wonder what they are talking about. And he has that little, you know, like curious face, like what they're talking about. And I have him looking down here. And down here, it just says, my sweatshirt isn't ugly. It is just reflecting back on the person looking at it. All right, so I thought that was super cute. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to add this to my sweatshirt. All right, and I guess it will be called, instead of ugly sweater, it'll be called an ugly sweatshirt, something different. All right, so this is the sweatshirt that I'm going to be using right here. I purchased it from Michael's. It's a Gildan shirt. I love Gildan, and it is, I think it's 50% cotton. Yeah, it's 50% cotton and 50% polyester, because in order to sublimate, you have to make sure you have, it would be better if it was 100% polyester, but I could not find a 100% polyester sweatshirt, and I didn't have time to order one, so I'm going to try this. All right, so let me go ahead and heat up my heat press. I'm going to take along my design, and we're going to go over to the heat press. Let's go. All right, so now I'm at my heat press, and this is my heat press. I'm going to be linking in the card section my Cricut tutorial videos where I've shown you where I have used this heat press. To me, it is a great heat press. I've had it for many years when I first started my Cricut business. And I will be linking in the description box if you would like to purchase this. It is an Amazon affiliate link, and I will receive a small commission at no extra cost to you. All right, if you purchase it. It's great for beginners. So I'm going to let it heat up. So in order to sublimate, you will need a lint roller. You will also need some butcher paper, which I have here. All right, you will need your shirt or your sweatshirt. I'm going to be using this sweatshirt. All right, and you will also need your design. Okay. All right, so now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead and let this warm up. And all right, so I have my temperature set at 330, and I'm going to be pressing for 30 seconds. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead and just pre-press. Well, I'm going to go ahead and roll it first. Lint roll it, if I can find my brush. All right, and again, this is just to get any lint, any dirt, debris, or whatever it is may be on your sweatshirt or your shirt off. All right, and you will be surprised at how much lint is on a sweatshirt, even though if you can't see it. All right. All right, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and pre-press my shirt. I'm going to go ahead and pre-press it, and this is just to get any moisture or anything that may be in the shirt out. And I'm just going to do it for a few seconds. All right, so now what I'm going to do, I am going to be taking my butcher paper, and I'm going to be putting some butcher paper underneath my sweatshirt. And this is just in case any ink leak through or come through, this will catch it. All right, so I'm going to put some here at the bottom. All right, so I'm also going to take some butcher paper and just put on the inside of my sweatshirt. And again, this is just to catch any ink that may try to come through. All right, and I'm just taking it and just placing it right underneath here. Okay. Alright, so now I'm going to take my design. Remember, you always mirror your design because you're putting it on a shirt. Just take it, this is Ieasha paper, and just put it down on your shirt, like so. Alright, center it. Alright, I'm going to take some heat tape and just place it on here so that it can hold the paper. Alright, so all I'm doing is just adding some heat tape, and I'm going to be linking this in the description box, also the card section. All right, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my other piece of butcher paper. If I can find it. Take my other piece of butcher paper and just put it right on top of this design. And all this does is just to make sure that no ink gets on the top of your heat press, you know, right on the heat plate part up under there. All right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to take it and just go ahead and press it down. All right, everyone, so I am going to go ahead and remove it to see how it looks. Hopefully it took well. But we're gonna see together. Let's see. Oh, so pretty. All right. So y'all ready? Oh, it is so pretty. I love it. All right, as you see right here, you see the Grinch. You see the Christmas tree, the Santa. All right, and those are the gnomes. And this is the wording that I put here. So everything came off really well. It looks good. I'm satisfied with it. This is my shirt. So I'm just going to be putting it on. All right, but I want to let you see how it looks. All right. That is absolutely beautiful. All right, so let's see if any ink came through on the butcher paper. And that is one reason why I put the butcher paper underneath it. And let's see. Nope, nothing came through on the paper, so I can reuse this. All right, so that's a good thing. And let's see the bottom one. All right, so nothing came through on the bottom one either. So I can use all 3 pieces because nothing came through on this. All right, so I can reuse all 3 pieces, which is really good. All right, y'all. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Let me know how you like my ugly sweatshirt, is what I call it. I hope that you all have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share this video. I hope that you all have an amazing day. And I will be coming back because I'm going to be showing you some more Christmas ideas. I'm trying to go ahead and get the Christmas items that I'm making out before Christmas. And if you don't get a chance to make any of these, you can always do it next year. All right, I hope that you all enjoy. Have a blessed day, and I will see you all in my next video.